Ciao everyone! Today, I'm on a quest to uncover Italy's best pizza and gelato, and I've brought my trusty drone along for the ride. Spoiler alert, things might get a little saucy and sweet. Grab your forks and get ready for some delicious chaos. First stop, the legendary pizzeria rumored to have the best margarita in Naples. This place is so secret, I feel like I need a treasure map. What's next? A secret handshake to get in? I launch my drone to scout ahead, because who needs a GPS when you have a flying pizza camera? But wait, is that a pizza oven or an alien spaceship? Either way, I'm ready for an out-of-this-world experience. As I approach, I overhear some locals. You can't rush perfection, especially when it comes to pizza. I nod, pretending to understand the deep wisdom behind that. After a lot of searching, I finally found the entrance. It's like winning the pizza lottery. Inside, the aroma hits me like a flavor freight train. I ordered a margarita and prepare for the ultimate taste test. You could say I'm about to embark on a cheesy adventure. As my pizza comes out, I realize I've forgotten one crucial thing. My drone is still up there, filming the whole thing. What could possibly go wrong? It's just a drone, not a pizza thief. I take my first bite, and it's heavenly, cheesy, crispy, and a slice of paradise. But then disaster strikes. My drone just dive-bombed into a nearby table. Rest in peace, little buddy. You sacrificed yourself for the sake of pizza. But hey, at least I got the perfect shot of that first bite. Not sure if my drone sacrifice will earn me any Instagram followers, though. And here I thought my biggest worry would be the calories. But at this point, who's counting? Now, after that cheesy delight, it's time for dessert. Next up, a gelato shop that claims to have the world's best pistachio. I walk in, and it's like stepping into a flavor paradise. But let's be real, I only came for the free samples. I take a scoop, and it's like a flavor explosion in my mouth. And just when I think I've nailed the gelato game, I drop my cone. Classic. How does one drop a cone? I'm starting to think I need gelato holding lessons. After the gelato mishap, I decided to redeem myself at a gelato stand with more flavors than I can count. They have everything from tiramisu to basil. Who knew basil could be a dessert? After much deliberation, I choose strawberry basil. Sounds fancy, right? But when I take a bite, it's like my taste buds are in a tug of war. Is this dessert or a salad? Final stop, a gelato competition among locals. They've got their secret recipes, and I'm here just trying not to embarrass myself. I decide to throw my hat in the ring, thinking, how hard can it be? Spoiler alert, very hard. I end up with a concoction that tastes like a mix of toothpaste and regret. Well, that was a roller coaster of flavors and fun. Whether you're dropping cones or mixing bizarre flavors, it's all part of the Italian experience. So, if you find yourself in Italy, whether you're soaring high with a drone or just enjoying a slice, remember to embrace the chaos, the flavors, and the laughs along the way. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious adventures.